Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? I went to CVS and I bought this personal genetic service kit. It's called a 23andMe. And you know, nowadays everybody's trying to find out where they came from, who their relatives are that they may not know. And you know something? This particular kit has been able to find a whole lot of relatives for a whole lot of people. And so I bought one. Actually, this is the third kit that I'm buying because I had bought one during Christmas time for my sister-in-law, and I gave her the kit, and then she wanted me to get one for my husband, who is her brother. So I bought him one. And he hasn't sent his in yet because I just bought it when they had this on sale. So I went back because I wanted to get one so I could do one for myself. And they didn't have any more. So I had gotten a rain check for one, even with the, because they were offering $10 in extra care bucks with it. So anyhow, guys, I ended up getting this particular one. I went back in the store the other day, and sure enough, they had gotten a couple or more. So I went in, and I didn't even have to use my rain check because I bought this one, and it is $29.99, and you get $10 back in extra care bucks. Now with this kit, all you have to do is swab inside your mouth, get some saliva on it, and send it to the lab. And then you just wait for the results back. All right, so anyway, guys, I just want to tell you that, okay, so I went in, this is my receipt here. I went in and I bought it. And you know me, I always also bought my ice cream, the Talenti ice cream. And that was 2 for $8. And this kit was $29.99. I used $10 in extra care bucks. That's all I had on this card. I used the $10 and I got back $10 in extra care bucks right here. Got back to $10. So I paid out of pocket. Actually, I had a gift card, a $10 gift card that I was able to use, and actually that left me $20.58 to pay out of pocket. And like I said, I got the $10 back, so it's like $10.58 that I paid for the kit as well as for my Talenti ice cream. All right, so guys, I'm looking for some, these are my notes that I keep under here. I'm looking for some good results back. And I may share it with you once I get the information back. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, press the notification button so you'll be notified anytime I put up a video. And look for the 23andMe personal genetic kits yourself. And maybe you can find out who your relatives are. You may be looking for a mother, you may be looking for a father, a brother, sister, cousin, whomever. But I think it's well worth doing. All right? Okay, guys, thank you for joining me again. I love you much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.